Yeah.
My friend. He looks like cool kid with a pink shirt on.
Bebu. Pangalan niya Bebu, di ba?
Oh, para siyang cool kid kaso naka-pink na shirt mo.
Ano? Let's go! Find some
Alam
key.
mo,
Oh my God! Alam ko, ito yung jump scared niya.
Alam mo, nandito yung tofu.
Ha? Kailangan natin i-find yung key.
That boy found the box. Kung saan tayo remember, try to remember your head. And your hair. You know, hair holds memories. But if you're bald, you will never know.
Sana may mahanap na tayong key. Please.
1 plus 1 is 2.
2 plus 2 is 1.
4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16.
16?
Tama ako.
Una, alam ko yun. 8 plus 16. 8 plus 8. Uy! May nahanap ka? Ano?
Ano lang, ayun, sa'yo na yan.
Yun, let's go.
We have 70.
Please, Lord, sana may may key na kami. Para may OFO na kami. Please!
Where are you?
Lord! Saan may key natin to? Please, may key. Lord, sana lalaki po kami. Wala na po akong key. Ay, die.
Don't hide.
Let's go. Pahabol kay Peke. Guys!
Nandyan.
Yeah, here. Hey, buddy!
Here!
Hey, buddy! Oh, no! Nakain! Subi! I'm gonna die!
Tumakbo ka! I'm gonna sacrifice! No, I'm not gonna sacrifice! I want to save my own life!
Yeah, me too, bro. I left to save.
Let's go out and sprint!
Oh, there's some cabinet over here. Peke is...
Sad that Bebu was eaten.
Yeah, big, dalawang closet dito. At sana may mahanap tayong key.
I wish I could find...
Ay, big, naalala mo kung nasaan yung box?
Yep. Ay, mayroon ano dito.
Big, sana may mahanap tayong key, no? It's been a long time. Let's go find some key, bro.
Magpapul ulit tayo kay Peke.
Bebu is being eaten by Peta.
Peke, you mean?
Oh, yeah.
Hardly. That's his fault.
No! Ube!
How can we revive him?
Oh my God, I don't know.
His dead body. And he's slow. Di ba kanina short to? Tingnan mo.
Ah? Ano?
Lumaki. Yung paano.
Dahil sa tagal natin, lumaki na.
Sigurado, iniwan ni Peke.
Big, alala mo, dito yun ah. Peke is full. Sana may mahanap tayong key. Lord, please na Lord. I will give you all my heart.
I will give you my whole life. Even my love.
What the? We die. Please the Lord.
If I look 3 closets in a row, but Bebu is dead.
No, Bebu. This is your fault, Peke. Pukaina. This is your fault, Pukaina. Oh my God! Hi! Holy shit! Lucay! Hide! Hide ako.
Nagpapabol na lang. Oh, my mama in the sea. Gaga in the broom. Goo Gaga, you're ugly. You look like an ugly baby.
Finally, Peke is
Remember,
Wala na si
where I
Peke
was.
Peke. Wala na si
Look, I
Peke Peke.
found Babu.
Ay! Ama, babu!
Nag-split up tuloy tayo.
Na-speed up. Kasi dapat ano eh. Huh? Where are you?
In here, Babu. I'm trying to heal him, but nothing seems to care.
Kasi ano, bawal mahil. Oh, I see you!
It's
Bebu! Bebu! Why you leave us?
Di ba sinabi ko kay Teta Peta you look like an ugly baby?
Ugly to the zoo!
Ay kasi gumagapang siya. Huwag ka tatago, mapahabol tayo.
Sige. Open natin to. Ha? Ayun. Ha? Sinarado mo lang eh. Bebu!
Babu, 6, 9, 20.
Is dead.
I wish I had the number 2,554.
What the?
Ube, ube, ube.
How are we gonna find some key? Lord, please na po, Lord! Paano nung kami mahanap ng key?
Kung may nakukuha ganyan, may nakukuha.
Ha? Kung may nakukuha kang ganyan, may napupulot ng key?
Kung may nakukuha ko ganyan, tapos ikaw doon. Where are you?
Here. Find me some coins. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Babul ulit tayo.
Peke Peke! Where's Peke Peke?
Nandun siya. Run!
Oh my God! I'm too slow! Big, I'm too slow!
My horn! My horn!
I'm too slow!
Hey, ugly baby!
Hey, you ugly bitch! You mama go to the zoo and say,
I'm a giraffe!
pag pinalapit kita sa monkey, sabi niya, Bluetooth connected! Pag pinalapit, beta, pag pinalapit kita sa monkey, sabi niya, Bluetooth connected!
That's so funny. That peta poop.
Poop on his mama.
Poop on his mouth.
Paano naman yung matatae? Butol yung paa niya.
E di siyempre, tatay sa bunganga niya. Tapos kakainin niya.
Ayun, may tayo na ulit siya.
Oo. Tapos kapag nagugutom siya,
Pag may narinig tayo ng, let's go find some coins.
yeah, coins.
Let's go find some coins. Siguro may kasama yung kilo. Ay, hanap tayo. Remember mo kung nasaan yung
Huh? To follow me.
oh, let's go. Nasaan ka na? Pag andun lang yun yung key.
Kapag may nakita ka, dugo-dugo kamay na yun, ano?
Ayun yun. Hindi. Ayun yung dinadaanan ni Peke Peke. Alam ko doon ko sumusilip eh. Ube! Tito yun, diba? Yun, tito yun.
Ube, ang kutik, kinakain yun. Yes! Protect the box! Protect the box! You have a key?
Need key. Wala. Oh my God! Peke Peke!
Saan ka?
Dilaw.
Nasaan yung ugly?
You ugly bitch! You look like a mama! Let's go find him here.
Ayun, nandito
Oh my God!
Oh, nandito, baby boy!
Daddy! Beta, forgive me! Ginawa kita gamit ng paper! Beta, forgive me!
My joy! My joy! Oh, Malina, baby boy! Ladi!
Beta, forgive me! Ginawa kita gamit ng papel! Para FPE! Oh, nawala na. Biglang nawala. Andito lang siya eh.
And we don't know sorry.
I'm sorry, Ube. I'm sorry, Bube.
Bakit nandyan pa yun sa kahit nag-live siya?
Hindi ko alam.
Para define.
Parang totoong, parang totoo niya.
Yan yung level 7.
Oo. Teka.
You have a key?
No! Wala pa nga eh.
Why do you keep going there?
Kasi para ma-remember natin. Vic, wag mo yan isarado. Let's go find some key. We never give up.
Yeah. Dati, sino yung may tao dito?
Sana may key ako sa back ko. Ay, wala akong key.
Yeah, because no cheating, you remember?
Oo nga.
Peke is ugly. It looks like a gorilla. That is a baby. A gorilla with a baby. And nag-kiss sila. Tapos, may dog day. Nag-kiss silang lahat. Tapos na-voice sila sa gorilla nag-kiss. Kay gorilla.
Nag-kiss kay Dog Day. Ito sa yun, may ay! SCP-96! Nag-kiss kay Dog Day. Tapos ayun, peke-peke.
At saka gorilla.
Ah!
At saka
Dalawang asawa!